Okay, and finally, you can see that I've finished up here after a lot of fast forwarding. The ice cream slams into the face and then slides off. You see a little bit of splash, which, if given more time, I could increase. And there's a bunch of just little motion-tweened splashes that are each on their separate layer. So you can see that I have the basic movements. I have a little bit of slow in and out, or easing on the arm, kind of going slow and then fast to slam the ice cream cone in the face. I've got a little bit of follow through and overlapping action in the stomach. I actually made the stomach a shape tween, so I could jiggle a little bit at the end. There's a little bit of secondary action, which I would consider to be the splashes. You could also consider the kind of a back of the blindfold to be overlapping action, like if you had a ponytail or hair that continued moving after the head stopped moving. And there's a little bit of squash and stretch in the head itself. Notice how the arms and legs also move in relation to how the body shifts. I had the head sort of slam back when the ice cream hits it, and the body kind of moves in compensation for that. And that it's just it was just an intuitive reaction. But I assumed like the legs and arms would move a little bit also in compensation, and it's not all that intentional, but just a little bit of move gives a sense that everything is kind of adjusting. And these are all like in a way the same mindset that one brings to secondary action or secondary motion. But here in this simple movement, I've managed to inject a number of different animation principles that we've studied so far, and it took me a while. So I don't expect you to do maybe this many elements, although you can. I mean, it was all very simple, but each element takes its time. You'll be surprised at how many layers you end up using for even something as simple as this. The background is basically 1 or 2 layers. I could add a little bit of shift or sway to the people in the background, and then at the end, I'll leave my drawing in there, or the image that I was copying from, but just by clicking on the button up here, the frame, the crop to frame button, I'll see what the thing will look like when I export. It's a little bit, I might want to clean up some of the intersection of the background in this thick line or something. Oh yeah, it looks like my bystander is on top of the frame, which is strange. But anyway, at that point, I can publish, and then I'm good to go. So signing out.